Hey guys, welcome back to SUNA Academy. By this moment, many of you are well aware about me, but if you're new here, myself Karthikeya, I'm a physics tutor. I'll be teaching you concepts of physics that are related to your JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NEET, UG, and many physics Olympiads that you'll be coming across in your grades 8, 9, and 10. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon right beside it. Do like our videos and share our videos to friends and fellow aspirants. So let's get into the video. So the next topic that we'll be looking at my series of videos of vectors is position vector. Okay, now let me consider your two-dimensional coordinate system, and let us say you have a point P and it has got some x and x comma y as your coordinates, and here this is your origin and your OP bar. Okay, your position vector of OP bar is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap. So this is in simple terms of 2D system, and when you come across in 3D system, let us say this is your x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, x, y and z. Okay, and if you have some point P as x comma y comma z, and position vector is the vector which is subtended from origin to some point P, and this OP bar, okay, this OP bar is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, so let us now get into the next subtopic, displacement vector. Okay, so in your two-dimensional coordinate system, if you have two vectors in this manner, okay, let's say this is your x1 comma y1, and let's say this is your x2 comma y2, and let's say if this position vector is some L bar, and let's say if this position vector is some M bar. Okay, and let me complete this system saying this to be my N bar. Okay, so from triangle of vector additions, you can find that L bar plus N bar, okay, L bar plus N bar is nothing but your M bar, right? Your M bar is starting from the tail of L and ending at the head of N. So your N bar is nothing but M bar minus L bar, right? And your M is nothing but x2 I cap plus y2 j cap minus your L bar is nothing but x1 I cap plus y1 j cap. So sorting out or clubbing the I cap components, this will be obtaining you x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. So this particular n bar is your displacement vector, and also you can notice that mod n bar is nothing but root over magnitude. Okay, let me remind you, if you have some vector a bar as xi cap, okay, xi cap plus yj cap plus some zk cap, and your mod is nothing but root over x square plus y square plus z square, right? So similarly here mod n bar is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square component of I whole square plus component of j whole square. Okay, now you can also say that this is the distance formula between 2 points, right? Now this mod n is nothing but the distance between some points. Let us say this is your a and this is your b, and that is indirectly the magnitude of the n bar, which is actually drawn from a to b. Now let us look into another subtopic of vectors, that is Lami's theorem. Okay, if you have some vectors in this manner, okay, and let's say if this is your a bar, or let us say some force F1 is acting on it, okay, and some force F2 is acting right here, and some force F3 is acting right here, okay, and let us say if this is your alpha and this is your beta, and this is your gamma. Lami's theorem states that f1 by sine alpha, you see your alpha is the angle opposite to your force, okay, is equal to f2 by sine beta. Okay, you see that the beta is the angle opposite to your f2, and that is also equal to f3 by sine gamma. Okay, this is Lami's theorem, and this will actually save time instead of resolution of vectors in some problems. So now I'll be discussing one of the problem. So now let us look into this problem. If I have a fixed wall, okay, let me say in this manner, and I have a block which is suspended in this way with two threads, okay, and this makes some angle 30 degrees, and this is some 3 kg. Okay, so if this is string 1 and this is some string 2, then what is the tension in string 1 and string 2? So you can simply use your Lami's theorem. Hey guys, if you haven't liked our video, do like our video to encourage and support us. So this is acting a 30 Newton force downwards because of the weight of the block. Okay, so if this was 30 degrees, then this will be your angle 60, right, and this will be your 90. So the net angle right here is 90 plus 60, right, 90 plus 60 is 150, right, and if this is your 30, then this will be a 30 plus 90, so the net angle right here is 120, and this will be your angle 90, right. So now let us use the Lami's theorem. So 30 newtons by sine 120 is equal to T1 by sine 90, and this is also equal to T2 by sine 150. Don't forget to consider the angles which is right opposite to your quantity, physical quantity. Okay, so this is your T2 and this is your 150. This is your T1 and this is your 90, and if this is a 30 Newton, this is your 120, right? Okay, now let us find T1. T1 is 30 into sine 90. Sine 90 is obviously 1 by sine 120. So sine 120 is same as sine 60, right? So yes, the value of sine 120 is root 3 by 2, and this will be turning out to be 60 by root 3. And considering this equality, okay, so your T2 is nothing but 30 by sine 120. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2 into sine 150. Sine 150 is directly sine 30, that is 1 by 2. So this will be 30 by root 3. So this is the value of T1 and T2. Okay, this problem can also be done in a different manner, okay, by using the component of vectors. So I'll also show how to solve that. So if this is making some angle, okay, this was the 30 degrees, right? So if this is your T1, okay, so suppose this is your T1 and this is your T2 and this is your 30 newtons weight, okay, and now let me resolve the components of T1. Okay, if I'll be resolving the components of T1 along y-axis and z-axis, okay, along positive axis this will be 30, so this will be your T1 cos 30, and along negative negative x-axis, a component of T1 will be T1 sin 30, right? So simply equate the forces along both directions. So T1 cos 30 is simply equal to 30 newtons, right? So your T1 is 30 by cos 30. The cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 60 by root 3, right? Simply. And your T2 is T1 into sin 30, right? Your T1 is 60 by root 3 and your sin 30 is 1 by 2, and this will be turning out to be 30 by root 3. So this is your T2. So you can also do by resolution of vectors, component of vectors, or using the Lami's theorem, but your answers in the case of 1 and case of 2, T1 and T2, are always same. Hey guys, I'll be catching up in my next video with some more concepts related to vectors and also be solving some numericals on vectors. Till then, stay tuned to our channel. Do like our videos and share our videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon right beside. Thank you.